It's time to start capturing some of the invoices. You have received 4 invoices from your suppliers. The details for these invoices are listed below the video. To start capturing these supplier invoices, we select Suppliers and then Supplier Invoice. The first invoice is from Chair King for 50 office chairs. Enter the supplier code over here. Pastel will notify you that there's an outstanding goods received note for this supplier. Do you want to link now? Select Yes. Firstly, we select the number, then zoom, then select the outstanding goods received note. We check the quantity on the invoice, we check the quantity, description, and price match the invoice, and then we select Link. Select the period of the invoice, and then select the date. For legal purposes, you always have to capture the supplier invoice number. The supplier invoice number in this case is Chair King 001. And then select the payment date. Once you've moved off the current line, you'll notice that a GL code appears. You don't need to worry about this for now. This is where you would enter postal charges or courier charges. Once you're done with the document, you can select Next Document and cancel the printing. Enter the supplier K010, link it to the goods received note, match the quantity, description, and price, and then select Link. As you can see, it's automatically added the date, and then we can just change the payment date and add in the supplier invoice number. Make sure you've moved off the current line, and then select Next Document. And cancel the printing. The next invoice is for 60 pine chairs from supplier K011. Select Link now. Select the goods received note. Match the quantity, price, and description, then select Link. Enter the supplier invoice number, and move off the current line. As you can see, on this invoice, there was a courier and postage charge of 21,000 Rand. To add this charge in, you're going to need to select the account, courier, and postage. I select the zoom function and select the account, courier, and postage. I need to add in the amount, which is 21,000 exclusive of VAT. Once you've moved off the line, check the account and select Next Document. The last invoice is for supplier K012. Select the supplier, link the document, I check the quantity, description, and prices, Make sure you modify the payment date to reflect 31st of March. Then add in the courier and postage charge of R2,000 excluding VAT. I select the account and then add in the price. Lastly, make sure to add in an accurate supplier invoice number. Once you have checked the document, select Next Document and cancel the printing. Now that we have done all our invoices for the day, this is our last opportunity to make any modifications before it's finalized. To change an invoice, I select the number, and then I can select any of the invoices over here. Once you are sure that all your documents are correct, select Batch, and then select Update. Pastor will give you a request saying that the documents haven't been printed. We can just select No to ignore the printing. Now you can close your Process Supplier dialog box. On the next page, you'll have an opportunity to check the accuracy of your progress with one of the answers provided.